I'm sure you know I'm currently an avid runner, and while I enjoy listening to music or podcasts during my runs, I love to be fully immersed in my experience. However, safety comes first, but I am cautious and curious about trying new earbuds. In this video, I'll be testing the OpenRock X open-ear air conduction sports earbuds, which I've been kindly provided by OpenRock. So something like this is going to be perfect for people like me, runners and anyone essentially who's doing physical activity that prefer that combination of safety and audio quality. So let's dive in. These earbuds use air conduction technology, which along with bone conduction technology are different types of earphone tech, which are becoming a game changer for sports enthusiasts. Air conduction delivers clear audio without sacrificing comfort or safety. Before we look at these in detail, let's head inside to the unboxing, and believe me, it's quite unique. So these are the OpenRock X open-ear air conduction earbuds. In its really nice eco-friendly packaging with sustainability in mind, it is actually one of the nicest packaging for earphones that I've seen for a while. As many people know, first impressions matter, so this is certainly a good sign for the rest of the unboxing. After removing this tab and pulling out the internal section from the packaging, which is integral to showcasing the case design, which you'll see later, we finally get to the product. In the box, you get the earphones, which are currently inside the case, which we'll look at shortly. A short USB-A to USB-C charging cable, the user manual, a carabiner which when connected to the charging case allows you to connect the case to something convenient like your bag. And the charging case, which comes in silver black like this one, gold white, orange, and in this Forbidden City limited edition red, which is a lot more costly than the standard colours, but just look how you're presented with this product, just wow. The case is made out of a solid aluminium alloy, but with that finish it may be prone to scratches in the future. On top of the case is the loop for the carabiner. To get to the earphones, the case has a push-push design, which when you push the bottom of the case, it reveals the OpenRock earbuds stored on each side of the case. It has a USB-C port for charging. Now, I really like this unique case design, something other than those traditional flip lid designs. My only concern is that after prolonged use, maybe with that constant opening and closing of the case just to get the earbuds out, how is the mechanism going to hold up after all that time? If anything, like dirt were to get in the mechanism, would that prevent the case from opening? And then how would you get your earbuds out? Fortunately, most users won't have any of the issues. For me, the case stays at home, I put the earbuds on, then I go out on my run, so the case always stays here. Now moving on to the earbuds themselves. They are lightweight, each weighing just over 11 grams, and they have that over the ear hook design. The hooks themselves are made out of a silicone rubber, which ensure comfort when wearing them and allow for these to be worn for long periods of time. They wrap snugly around your ears and stay in place no matter how intense your workout gets. If you wear glasses permanently, then the over-the-ear hook design may not suit you, as you'll feel like there's a battle for room on your ear between your glasses and the hook. But if like me, and you don't need to wear these while doing something active, or you just simply don't wear glasses at all, you'll probably not find this an issue. I found these really comfortable to wear thanks to the ability to be able to adjust that fit. With other similar earbuds, it's essentially one size fits all. With these, you're able to adjust the ear hook either 50 degrees vertically and 45 degrees horizontally, thanks to that dual axis joint, which allows you to truly have a tailored fit that both incorporates your personal comfort and safety. If you're wearing these, for example, and you want a little bit more sound to come out, you just tilt it a little bit further outwards and more sound from your environment can come in. Yes, you'll have to substitute what you can hear from the audio device, but in terms of safety, that's the important thing here. Like most audio equipment aimed at people who are active, you want there to be minimal reasons for the users to have to touch the earphones while they're engaged in that activity. But what is common on them all and is essential is the buttons. There is one each on both earbuds on the underside, which carry out the regular functions like play, pause, skip, back and answer phone calls, etc. But what these can do while your audio is playing, they can be customized a little within the OpenRock app, which we'll have a look at later. It has two microphones on each bud, which not only only allow your clear voice during verbal assistant requests and phone calls, also allow for the AI noise cancellation algorithm to give you clearer audio to the person you're talking to, even if you're in noisier environments. Thanks to the Bluetooth 5.3 technology and the range of about 10 meters with these buds, as soon as you open the case, these are connected to your phone almost instantly. And by the time that you've put them both on, you'll be greeted with a familiar connected voice. Unfortunately, there is no proximity detection, so when you do take these off, you'll have to remember to pause what you're listening to, as it won't do it automatically. With the Bluetooth connection in these, you'll be able to connect to 2 devices simultaneously. I could be listening to my music on my laptop through these, get a phone call which will automatically pause the music on the laptop and connect to the phone. And then when I finish the phone call, it should automatically revert back to the music I was listening to on the laptop. In terms of battery life, on a single charge, you'll get up to an amazing 12 hours of battery life. And together with further 4 recharges from the case, you can get up to 48 hours of battery life. And with 5 minutes of charging of the earbuds in the case, you'll get an extra hour of use. Sweat, rain, no problem. These are built to handle the elements. With an IPX5 waterproof and sweat resistant rating, wearing these earbuds during high intensity workouts in most weather conditions should be fine. Honestly, the secure fit of these makes them a standout feature for runners like me. They never budge, no matter how hard I've actually pushed myself. And believe me, I've actually tried to knock these off on my run.
One of the biggest advantages of the OpenRock X is safety.
When I'm running, I need to hear the world around me, traffic, other runners, even someone shouting a warning. With these earbuds on, I can stay aware without sacrificing my music or my podcasts. There is a bit of sound leakage, but with the nature of the design, that is one of the aspects that you are going to have to get used to. On the other side, that's the beauty of air conduction earbuds. Your ears are free to take in the important sounds while still being open enough for you to enjoy your tunes. With a 14.2mm custom dynamic driver and a custom bass direct acoustic cavity coupled with the LISO 2.0 algorithm, I found that the audio quality on these earbuds is exceptionally clear. Whether you're listening to music or podcasts, the sound is crisp and detailed. Now, while the bass may not be as impactful as in-ear or over-the-ear headphones, considering that physical gap between the earbuds and your ear canal, it's still actually quite impressive. I found a few tracks on Spotify that were sort of bass intensive, and there is actually a good amount of bass on these. Now, while I was out on this run, shortly after this moment, a runner came up behind me. With these earbuds on and the music playing, I heard that runner overtake me as we exchanged greetings. However, the most important thing was that I heard him come up behind me. I also separately heard 2 drivers about 10 meters away from me casually having a chat, perfectly clear as day. And being able to hear those external sounds as if I wasn't wearing these is that important safety feature.
With these, there is an OpenRock app which gives you access to further customizations and other features.
When I first downloaded this app, the buds actually required an update, which didn't take too long to complete. After that first upgrade, you get to the main screen where you can see the current battery levels of each earbud and the case. However, the battery levels of the case aren't displayed in real time because the connection is only between the earbuds and your phone. Therefore, when the earbuds are returned to the case, they receive the updated battery levels from the case and relay this information to your phone when they're next connected. Some of us who prefer customizing the audio levels of music or podcasts, instead of just listening to the default ones, are provided with 4 different audio effects tailored to help you get into the zone depending on your level of immersion and the intensity that you're after. The first mode is rock mode, which emphasizes deep bass and rhythmic motion audio effects. It aims to reduce exercise fatigue, activate your exercise potential, and enhance the efficiency of your exercise training. The second mode is relax mode, which highlights the free frequency, natural, and comfortable sports audio effect. It's designed to help individuals unwind and alleviate stress. This mode is ideal for exercises like yoga, stretching, meditation, and other low-intensity activities, sports that are often accompanied by soothing and stress-relieving music, such as classical or ambient music. neck. The third mode, and my favourite, is boom mode. It aims to fully maximise energy by improving the sound pressure level. In extremely noisy environments, it provides an astonishing music experience that effectively overcomes background noise interference. The boom mode enhances the music, making it more energetic and powerful, allowing users to stay fully immersed in the music, even in a noisy setting. And trust me, I felt that boom mode, even and still being able to hear my surroundings. The fourth mode is the custom settings, where you can tailor the frequencies to your own personal requirements.
While we've primarily focused on the features and the sound quality, OpenRock do also focus on ear health and hygiene.
The app features maximum volume limiter that enables users to set their preferred maximal volume based on WHO recommendations for safer volume levels. Next is an overtime wear reminder. If you found yourself listening to your audio for hours and hours and want to subconsciously reduce your time spent with these on, you can set a specified amount of time, up to 4 hours, for you to receive a voice reminder to take a rest from wearing the headphones. Next is gestures. Now, while the general hand-on functions are pretty much standard across all audio devices with single press, double press and triple presses, you are able to customize the long press actions on each earbud from a choice of 4 actions. For simplicity, I've currently got each bud to set to volume up and volume down. The other app features that you're able to change are spatial sound, giving you more immersive sound experience, a sound balance, auto power off, and voice prompts. And if you do lose one of your earbuds in the near vicinity, there is a Find My Buds feature which plays a very high-pitched sound alerting you to the location of your misplaced earbud. Now just be advised, don't wear these when you press the Find My feature because it's pretty loud.
While I primarily use these for running, they're also good for biking, hiking, and even like taking the dog for a walk. Anytime you want entertainment without losing that awareness, these are a solid pick.
They're also fantastic for casual work environments where you just need to keep an ear on your surroundings.
I've been using these OpenRock earbuds on a few of my runs, including this one, and to be honest with you, I'm thoroughly impressed. Sound quality is really good. You know, it's clear, and concise, and I can hear everything when I'm listening to my podcast. Those are clear.
These headphones are comfortable, lightweight, and almost feel invisible when you're wearing them. I even tried the ultimate shake test, and they didn't budge at all. Initially, I'm always skeptical about the sound quality of these type of earbuds, mainly because they're not in-ear or over-the-ear headphones. However, the audio on these is clear and immersive, even in those noisy environments. For me, the most important aspect of audio wear while running is maintaining that awareness of my surroundings.
Fortunately, while I've had these on, I've never felt disconnected from the environment. I mean, I've just come off a busy road and I can still hear all of the cars coming, and that's even with the volume quite high up on these. So for me, it's perfect at doing what it needs to do. And on some earbuds, that's that balance that is hard to find. But with these, found that perfect balance.
So who are these for? If you're a runner, cyclist or outdoor enthusiast who values safety and comfort, the OpenRock X earbuds is a good choice.
They're also great for anyone who just wants to stay aware of their surroundings. I mean, if I just look around me, I've actually got people behind me, someone behind me right there that I didn't even realise, but now I can hear his footsteps now that I'm actually aware of it. And it's perfect, all from having these earphones on.
These earbuds will become a good companion for running and everyday use. They combine safety, comfort, and great sound in one sleek, simple package. If you're in the market for open-ear earbuds, these might be worth checking out.
Many thanks to OpenRock for providing these earbuds for me to test and review. It's greatly appreciated.
If you're interested in getting these, I'll put a link in the description below.
Let me know your thoughts about these earbuds, and if you've tried air conduction earphones in the past, what do you think about them? Just let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, press that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.